guys, today I'm gonna make chicken lompianada. Okay, so it is an empanada supposed to be, but I'm going to use lumpia wrapper. That's why it's called chicken lompianada. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, peas, carrots and potatoes, garlic, onions, spring onions, bell pepper, raisins, and then the chicken. Well, cook. Saute the garlic. And then the onion. And then the bell pepper and the spring onion, as well as the raisin. Okay. And then guys, I'm gonna add the chicken. Okay. Soy sauce. One of the ingredients also guys, soy sauce. Okay. The potatoes. Oyster sauce guys. Okay guys, we're gonna cover this one to simmer until the potatoes and carrots it's cooked but not done. It's our chicken empanada, and then it's done, the filling. Okay, use lumpia wrapper instead of empanada dough. I'm going to use lumpia wrapper, so that's why chicken lumpianada. Guys, so that's the meat of the lumpia, chicken lumpianada. This is the filling for empanada, but I'm going to use lumpia wrapper. That's why I call it chicken lumpianada. Okay, so now ako sa lagi patayan ko guys. Okay guys, like that, like that. Okay, it's very nice. Okay guys, that is done. Yeah, nada guys. Okay. So that's it as of now. Look at our chicken lompianada. It's done. Okay. So it's tasting time. Look at that one. Oh, it's super hot. It's yummy, guys. It's not salty. It's good enough. Okay. So, we call it chicken lumpia nada because supposed to be the filling is for the empanada. And I'm using the lumpia wrapper. That's why I call it chicken lumpia nada. Okay, it's yummy, guys. Okay, guys. So, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye. Yummy chicken lumpia nada. Mmm. That's yummy.